It's our day 2 here in Bohol, and we're gonna do island hopping today, so get ready with me. So since mag-island hopping tayo guys, this is what I'm gonna be wearing. So it's a bikini. Ayan. Tapos, meron akong pampatong later pag nasa islands na, but for the meantime, since magbo-boat, ito yung ipapatong ko na damit. Taran! So, let's go. Mabihis na tayo. So, here's how it looks like. Taran! Ganyan siya. Medyo high waist po yung labanan natin ngayon. Kasi, syempre, diba, mag-island hopping. Ayoko namang mahubaran tayo dun. I actually love this fit. It's very comfy. Tapos, papatong lang natin to.